information on the EVDC control valve tester tool. Comes in a kit like this. We're going to show you how to hook it up and run it. First of all, you take the control valve to the tester itself. You take the lead that hooks up to the control valve, and we're going to insert it, clamp it down. Then you're going to take the negative and positive leads that are in here for your battery, and we're going to hook those up. And it states on here positive, so we'll hook the positive to the positive. It's on the front of the machine. Negative, positive, and control valve. I have 3 pieces hooked up. I'm going to run my lead drop down inside so I can go underneath the car over to the compressor, which is on the opposite side of the battery. And I'm just going to drop it down here. You don't have to watch me drop it. Underneath the vehicle. We're going to raise the vehicle and hook up to the control valve. From the tester, you'll go over to this side here and disconnect the harness from the compressor control valve. What we're going to do is there's 2 different connectors today in our system. This is the old style, which is what this particular piece is. This is the new style, which is smaller. So this is a resistor that we have to plug into the harness to let the processor know that it has resistance, to let it know that it's still hooked up. It's tricking it, so it turns the clutch on. So if I have the old style, this is set up with the new style. I take this harness, plug it into it, and now I'm ready to connect to the old style harness. The control unit already has the old style on it, so we can plug right onto the compressor. And that's it for the side. Go back to the top. I want you to take a set of gauges or your AC machine. Make sure both valves are closed. Connect them to the high side and low side service port connectors. Make sure you screw them down. After connecting your gauges, I need you to hook up your positive and negative cables to the control valve tester, battery. Let's put a good clamp on this. This will allow us that when we turn it on, you'll see the red light come on so you know you're connected. So, now that we're all connected, I need you to turn the AC system on. You can put it in max AC.
Okay.
At this point, we have connected our gauges. We connected our tool, hooked up the resistor, turned it into max AC. The clutch came on, but I have no reaction on my gauges. It's not stroking up or down at the moment. This would be the same thing the vehicle made. It came in with this complaint. Turn this thing on, light comes on, and as I start stroking it up to max, you'll start seeing the gauges move. Low side pulling down, high side building pressure. So at this point, if I stroke it down, you'll watch it go back, going back up, high side pulling, going back down, they're equalizing. And now I can stroke my compressor back up, showing that the compressor control valve is working and the internal of the compressor is working. It is stroking up or down. If this does not stroke up or down, then you can condemn the compressor and change it. If it does stroke up and down, I took the compressor out of the system loop. far as the electronics, and I'm controlling it. So that tells me there's something wrong further back in the electronics programming, a bad wire, a bad connector. You need to start looking for an electrical issue. And at that point, you can shut the system off, turn the car off, disconnect everything, and go on with your repair.